Hello, I'm Dr. Karim Kurji, York Region's Medical Officer of Health. York Region students will be going in for in-person classes as of February 16th. Given the fact that we have the variant within York Region, we have had to tighten up the screening tool, and we urge you to get familiarized with that. It's available on our website at york.ca/safe@school. Essentially, what it involves is staff and students should not be going into schools if they have even one symptom of COVID-19, even though that may be mild. They are asked to access testing at one of the assessment centers in York Region. In addition, everyone in the household must stay at home, away from school or childcare center, if anyone in the household is A, sick, B, is a high risk or close contact of a case of COVID-19, and C, has traveled abroad recently. More details are available on our website. In addition, everyone from grades 1 to 12 is required to mask indoors and outdoors if physical distancing cannot be maintained. There are also new guidelines preventing congregation of students before and after school. We are also offering asymptomatic screening in conjunction with our partners. This asymptomatic screening is essentially for students without any symptoms. The schools will be identified by public health, particularly those in areas where we may suspect the variant may be existing or where there may have been greater numbers of COVID-19 cases. These asymptomatic screenings will occur on a regular basis, affecting about 5% of the schools in York Region. In addition, we are exploring options of making available testing for symptomatic individuals in places other than the assessment centers, and this will be announced shortly. Our cases in York Region continue to decline, and the numbers of outbreaks in our institutions also continue to decline. The wild card here has been the variants. However, through aggressive case and contact management, as well as the actions being taken at the international borders, and your cooperation and vigilance, we are able to keep these variants in check. We are closely monitoring them epidemiologically, and so far we feel that they are under control. However, it is imperative that you stay at home as much as possible, and if you do go out, make sure that you are keeping your physical distance of 2 meters or more, and any encounters with people outside your households be kept as brief as possible. We have seen media reports of how easily the variant spreads, so please be careful there. When it comes to vaccinations, the priority groups that the province has outlined will be followed as vaccines become available. Finally, we ask you to be vigilant with respect to following all the public health guidelines, and in particular, the new guidelines with respect to the presence of the variants. Make sure that any encounters that you have with anyone outside the household are very brief, and that you maintain your 2-meter distance from them and you wear masks. Thank you, and please stay vigilant.